Hi, in this video we will talk about 10 animals that came back from extinction. Imagine disappearing from the wild forever, only to make one of the greatest comebacks in history. While true extinction is irreversible, some animals came so close that scientists believed they were gone forever, until they were rediscovered or saved through extraordinary conservation efforts. Here are 10 incredible comeback stories. Number 10. Lord Howe Island stick insect. Nicknamed the tree lobster, this giant stick insect was declared extinct after rats invaded Lord Howe Island in 1918. More than 80 years later, scientists discovered a tiny population surviving on a remote volcanic rock called Ball's Pyramid. Fewer than 30 individuals remained. Today, successful breeding programs are helping restore this remarkable insect. Number 9. Laotian Rock Rat. Known as a living fossil, the Laotian rock rat shocked scientists in 2005. Its entire family was believed to have disappeared over 11 million years ago. Instead of finding fossils, researchers found living animals being sold in a local food market in Laos, rewriting what scientists knew about rodent evolution. 8. Takahe. The Takahe is a large flightless bird from New Zealand. It was declared extinct in 1898 after predators and habitat loss devastated its population. Then, in 1948, a small surviving population was discovered deep in the remote Murchison Mountains. Intensive conservation has slowly increased their numbers from just a few hundred to a growing population. 7. Bermuda Petrel, Cahow. For over 300 years, the Bermuda petrel was thought to be extinct. Sailors had introduced rats and pigs that destroyed nesting colonies. In 1951, researchers discovered just 18 nesting pairs on isolated rocky islets. Decades of conservation have allowed the species to recover steadily. 6. Coelacanth. The coelacanth was believed to have disappeared with the dinosaurs about 66 million years ago. Then, in 1938, a living specimen was caught off the coast of South Africa. This ancient fish became one of the greatest biological discoveries of the 20th century and is often called a living fossil. 5. Black-footed ferret. Once thought extinct in North America because prairie dog populations collapsed, the black-footed ferret made an astonishing comeback after a tiny surviving colony was discovered in Wyoming in 1981. Captive breeding and reintroduction programs have returned hundreds of ferrets to protected habitats. 4. Arabian Oryx. By 1972, the Arabian Oryx had disappeared from the wild due to overhunting. Fortunately, a few animals survived in zoos and private collections. Carefully managed breeding programs allowed them to be reintroduced into deserts across the Middle East, making them one of conservation's greatest success stories. Number 3. California Condor. The California condor nearly vanished because of habitat destruction, hunting, and lead poisoning. By 1987, only 27 birds remained alive. Conservationists captured every surviving condor to begin a breeding program. Today, hundreds once again soar across parts of California, Arizona, Utah, and Baja California. 2. European Bison. Europe's largest land mammal almost disappeared after World War I. By 1927, only 54 European bison survived, all living in zoos. Through careful breeding and decades of habitat restoration, thousands now roam protected forests across Europe, including Poland's famous Białowieża forest. 1. Southern white rhinoceros. At the end of the 19th century, fewer than 100 southern white rhinos remained in South Africa. Many believed the species was doomed. Strong protection, anti-poaching efforts, and wildlife reserves helped the population recover to more than 15,000 animals, making it one of the greatest conservation victories ever achieved for a large mammal. Final thoughts. These animals remind us that hope is never lost. Although none of these species truly returned after complete extinction, they all came so close that many people believed they were gone forever. Thanks to scientific research, dedicated conservationists, and global cooperation, these incredible creatures were given a second chance. Their stories prove that when humans choose to protect nature instead of destroy it, remarkable recoveries are possible. Every species saved today helps preserve the incredible diversity of life on our planet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing wildlife documentaries and fascinating animal facts every week.